If you want to use PowerPoint for many purposes, for example for creating social media post images, banners, infographics or book covers, you will need to set your slide size in pixels. The problem is that PowerPoint offers only centimeters and inches. At least you might think so. But you are wrong. I'm going to show you a PowerPoint hack that will help you to set your slide size in pixels super fast. All you need to do is go to Design, Slide Size and Custom Slide Size, and then write your measurements in pixels. And PowerPoint will automatically convert them to centimeters or inches if you have inches, but you will get the correct slide size in pixels. Like this. I'll change its color and save my slide as JPG image. And here it is. You see, we have a correct size in pixels. So, it was Anita from Beginner.com. Give me thumbs up if this was helpful and subscribe to my channel to get even more useful tips about PowerPoint.